Well, so among the current crop of movies that you can see on Netflix, there is this particular series called Hollywood, which is based on the life of Rock Hudson, one of the, really leading stars of his time, Hollywood stars. So, my God, yeah, just watching this series is an experience because it gives you a peek into the life of, the kind of struggle that even the topmost stars on this planet have had to face. So I mean, this is a movie that you need to watch, that when life is getting to you, where you feel like, oh my God, only I'm the one person on this earth with so many set of issues or whatever. We sometimes we go through these phases, right? So that's when you need to uh, watch a movie like this. I mean, a struggle can be anything. Like, see, today is Mother's Day, and uh, it, it'll be 66 days before I finally see my 6 year old, like 7 year old. So it's Mother's Day, and I'm not with my child, and that kind of hurts, yeah. So he's, because of this lockdown, he's with his dad, so I feel bad about that. And it's, when I'm on Instagram, I'm seeing so many happy Mother's Day posts and all, but it's okay. Normally I don't share such things, while, especially when I'm doing a review. But really, so this particular series will show you that there are people, like they say, the greater the challenge, the greater is your destiny. And Hollywood, this series proves to us that Rock Hudson became the rock that he was, the superstar that he was, because of the kind of struggles. Struggles also have a way of molding a person. It's a long review, but on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.